We live in the Pacific Northwest and it is unfortunately forest fire season, so this is when I install the Blueair SmokeBlock filter. This filter is a cut above the other filters as it has a lot more charcoal in it to deal with any smoke particulates in the air. And if you know anything about Blueair filters and their replacement cartridges, they're already super high quality. They already remove a lot from your air, allergens, everything. So this is just a cut above. So let me install it real quick and show you how that goes. Now I only get this one in the summertime for the summer season, as the other filter is fantastic during the winter, and these usually last about 6 months. And here's how it looks. And this charcoal piece inside is much more noticeable. It's very thick, and that will pull all the particulates to it. Replacing your filter is really quite easy. Just make sure it's off, and then you twist right off the top. Don't forget this little plastic piece that holds it all together. And this is always a good time to clean the cloth on the outside. I often vacuum this as it'll get covered in pet hair. Here is my old filter. You can see that it's been on here for 6 months, and the difference is striking. There you go. I'm already feeling really good about getting a new filter on here. Slide on that plastic top, and then twist on the Blueair fan itself. And now I can slide my cloth back on, and you always want to use it to hide this cable too. It has this section right here that's great for that. And the one thing I always fail to remember is that you should really put the cloth on before you put the plastic cover on, as then you can tuck it in and make it look really good. And now it's ready to go. This does such an incredible job all the time, but especially during smoke season when we have any wildfires, which I always hope we won't. This has made an enormous difference in the air quality inside our home. We have an air quality monitor, and when I set one of these up in the same room as it, within 30 minutes, there is a marked difference in the particulate count, so I know they work, and I completely trust Blueair filters for my family.